Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz, this is my channel, Toiletterian. I bring to your attention fragrances that are usually on the radar. Not many people mention them and I think they deserve a second look, and at least you should go and do your research and see if they are any good to you. Today I have an unboxing and first impression for you, and this is sent to me by Haramain. The opinions is all mine. They didn't tell me what to say, they just sent me the perfumes and say, Naz, these are new releases, please could you do a review on them, and I accepted it. So there's no basically script, there is no influence, everything it is my video, it is my opinion, and I always give you my honest opinion. I don't sugarcoat it. If I don't like it, I will tell you. Okay, so without further ado, they sent me this two perfumes, and let's see. Okay, so as always, the packaging from Haramain, top notch. Nobody can beat them in terms of packaging, in terms of presentation, for the price. Okay, these two, I think they're on around £25 each. So as you can tell, you know, they are very good with presentation for that amount of money you're paying. Okay, so let's begin with this silver one. Look at this, as always, beautiful presentation, and let's go. Sorry about the noise. This is the nature of unboxing, too much noise makes. Alright, so this one is called Signature Red Eau de Perfume 100 ml, and it is for men. Haramain Signature Red Eau de Perfume 100 ml, and as you can see, the box is simple, but it does the job perfectly. They always come with a very good presentation, Haramain perfumes. They always give you much more than what you pay for. Okay, so okay, look at this. So do you expect something like this for 25 quid? No. Usually for 25 quid you get much simpler packaging, much simpler bottles and all that, and this one, it doesn't look like £25 to me, at least. Okay, so top notch. It's a very thick cardboard. And the bottle is gorgeous. Look at this. It reminds me of Dior Homme and Dior Homme Intense, Dior Homme Perfume bottles. This one's got a red accent, obviously. As you can see, it's red all over it. And the attention to details is always perfect. Signature red, Haramain, and on top it's got a logo. The cap is plastic, but it's very, very heavy. And let's see the atomizer. The atomizer is beautiful, as always, perfect. Okay, so how is the signature scent by Haramain smells like? Ooh, very, very strong. Okay, so it reminds me straight Fahrenheit. So the original Fahrenheit, this is the copy of it. It's very similar. It's just basically, it's Fahrenheit in this bottle, and as all we know, Fahrenheit has been reformulated many times, and unfortunately these days you buy Fahrenheit, it won't last you that long, maybe 3-4 hours if you're lucky, but this one is very, very strong, so I'm expecting it to last a very long time. Yeah, basically Fahrenheit in this bottle. Obviously I will give you updates later on, how is the performance and how it changes and all that, but first impression, beautiful, is like Fahrenheit. Yep, straight Fahrenheit, quite floral. That petroleum note is very apparent. It's got leathery, and that violet leaf is very, very strong in this. Beautiful, gorgeous. So if you like Fahrenheit for 25 quid, this is a no-brainer. Okay, let's go to the second one. As I said, I'll give you updates in a few days time. So as always, packaging is beautiful. Okay, so this one is a dark blue color with a white, and the packaging, as always said, is very good, especially for the money. We're not talking about £100, we're not talking about £80, we're talking about £25 for the money. Unbelievable, beautiful. Okay, so again, it opens up like a book, and this one comes out. Again, for the money, very good presentation. And this one is called Signature Blue, and as you can see, again, a similar bottle to Dior Homme and Dior Homme Intense and Dior Homme Perfume family. And this one is got a blue accent, Al Haramain all over it, signature blue. And the cap again is very heavy, and the atomizer, beautiful atomizer, gorgeous. Okay, so how is this one? Again, another beautiful set. This line is very good value for money, because first of all, there is no alcohol in there. Okay, so it opens up like a beautiful perfume. Okay, so this is very familiar to me again. So this one was straight Fahrenheit. This is straight something else, but what it is, I don't know yet. Wow, very familiar, very familiar. Okay, what is it? Is it Acqua di Gio? Yeah, it reminds me of Acqua di Gio, but I'm not sure if it's an Acqua di Gio basically clone or copy. I'm not too sure, but it reminds me of Acqua di Gio, the original. So again, for 25 quid, if you want Acqua di Gio for 25 quid and EDP, quite long lasting, because again, I will give you the update in a few days time. I'm expecting them to perform well, because House of Al Haramain always, the perfumes always perform well. Okay, and I never had an Al Haramain that was bad performer. They never let me down so far, so I'm expecting to this two beautiful perfumes be in the same genre, okay, the same line or the same performance. Yes. Okay, so to some extent it reminds me of Acqua di Gio, but I'm not sure. Okay, again, I will give you an update. So this one is a straight Fahrenheit, opened up, that's it. You said, okay, this is Fahrenheit by Dior, but this one is a little bit, at least for now, I'm not too sure. But it reminds me of Acqua di Gio, the original. Okay, so as I said, I'll give you the updates in a few days time, tell you everything about it. But if you're interested in these two, I'll leave in the description below where you can find them. As I said, I think they are going for 25 quid each, which is absolute fantastic value for money, for the presentation, for the bottles, for the smell, for EDP, 100 ml big bottles. So everything is very promising so far, okay, for unboxing. Okay guys, if you have any question, put it down there. If you know them, if you have them, if you try them, please let other people know in the comments. Then it would be useful for other people to read them. Again, if you find this video useful or entertaining or informative, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for future video. And if you can help me to share this video with other people, and this way I can expand my channel to reach more people and basically introduce these underrated, under radar fragrances to everybody. Thank you very much guys for your support. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, thank you. Bye.